This section includes quick ways to add, subtract, multiply and divide fractions. Today we are learning how to divide fractions in 2 simple steps. We will start with the basic concepts first. What is a fraction? Fraction represents equal parts of a whole or a collection. For example, fraction 1/3 means 1 part out of 3 parts. There are several types of fractions. Proper fractions are where numerator is smaller than the denominator. For example, in 2 by 6, numerator 2 is smaller than denominator 6. Improper fractions are those where the numerator is greater than the denominator. Like in 8 by 3, the numerator 8 is greater than the denominator 3. Mixed fractions have both a whole number as well as a fraction. For example, 5 2 by 7 means 5 whole and 2 parts out of 7. Let's start with our first example. Here we have to find the answer for 5 by 3 divided by 2 by 1. First step is to flip the second fraction, which will result in 2 changes. One is that 2 by 1 now becomes 1 by 2. And secondly, the division changes to multiplication. So the new equation is 5 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 2. To solve it, we will simply multiply the numerators 5 and 1 to get 5. And then the denominators 3 and 2, which is 6. So our answer is 5 by 6. In our second example, we have one mixed fraction and one proper fraction. So first we will change the mixed fraction to simple fraction. For that, we will first multiply 4 and 2, which is 8. And then we will add 1 to 8. So now we get fraction 9 by 2. Let's start with the 2-step solution. Flip and multiply. When we flip 3 by 5, it becomes 5 by 3. And the division changes to multiplication. Second step is to multiply the 2 numerators 9 and 5 and then the 2 denominators 2 and 3. So we get the answer 45 by 6. In this practice quiz, I have prepared 2 questions for you to solve on your own. Feel free to pause the video and try to solve it mentally first. You will find the answer and explanation after each question. Quiz 1. What is 7 by 4 divided by 3 by 5? You can choose your answer from these options. Here is the answer and explanation for quiz 1. Quiz 2. What is 9 by 13 divided by 8 by 7? And these are your options. This is the answer and explanation for quiz 2. We will end the chapter with a very powerful quotation by Mahatma Gandhi. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Thank you and take care.